pretty? I think it is. This is called Black Nightshade. In English, it's called Pucuk Meranti in Bahasa Malaysia, and it's called Manathakali Keerai in Tamil. I'm sure a lot of us have actually grown up eating this, but maybe sometimes, as we grow older, we prefer vegetables like broccoli and so on, and we don't go to our traditional vegetables. Well, I'd like to tell you that this vegetable is very, very nutritious. It has anti-cancer properties. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with your ulcers, whether it's in your mouth or in your stomach. It has antioxidants, so that helps in our immunity, and that means it helps us stay away from illnesses and so on. What else do we have? Well, it's very nutritious, so I would suggest to try this. Try cooking these. In my next video, I would try and cook these vegetables in maybe 2 different styles, so you can see, and maybe you can try it as well. Thank you. But before that, let me show you a spot in my garden where I've actually planted this vegetable, and I'll also show you how easy it is to grow this vegetable. So this is my nightshade plant. Can you see? Okay. These are the leaves. This is called Black Nightshade. Can you see the berries? And more berries here. Okay. This is from my little vegetable patch in my garden. For those of you who've never cooked this vegetable before, and to be honest, I only started cooking this vegetable in my 40s. So in my younger days, I knew about this. I had eaten it as a child, but I didn't know how to cook it. Well, here it goes. You take the leaves. That's what you do basically. You take the leaves, and it's okay if the berries, you cook the berries as well, because the berries are also very nutritious. So this is okay to cook it as well. And by the way, these can be eaten raw. When the berries are ripe like this, it can be eaten raw. It has some kind of a sweet flavor, and it's supposed to be very, very nutritious. I've done some research, so I am not a doctor, but I have done research to know how healthy this vegetable is. So what you do is you basically do that. The stems can be discarded like that, and basically you cook the leaves. This is how this is the part of the vegetable that you cook, the leaves. So these are the leaves that I plucked off from the stems earlier. So these leaves can be cooked. They can be stored in the fridge to be cooked later. And the stalks, what I've done is, especially the hard stalks, the stalks that are hard like this, I've left a few leaves on them, and what I'm going to do is stick them into soil, and then you can grow your own vegetable. So you can have this, and you have an endless supply of Manathakali Keerai. One more thing that I'd like to point out is the berries. Can you see these berries? The berries can be eaten when they are ripe. So when they are ripe, they can be eaten raw. The ripe ones are like these. I could only find one. This is a ripe berry. So this one can be eaten raw. It will be a little bit sweet. These are, I've gathered a few unripe seeds for you, berries for you. These you can just add together with your vegetable dish, and you can cook it. So the unripe berries, eat them cooked. The ripe berries can be eaten raw. So I will be making another video where I'm going to show you 2 recipes that my mom used to do that I'm going to make, and please join me for the next video. Thank you.